finally we are in Greece with Moroccan team on Pakistani passport.
When I look out, I see the sun.
Hello everyone, it's me Sardar Hammad. Welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is going to be an exciting one as we travel along on a journey from Germany to Greece, especially Athens. We are a group of students from HDA University in Germany and we are embarking on a unique educational trip funded by the Erasmus scholarship program. We have teamed up with the three universities as part of the Erasmus collaboration. University from Turkey, University from Greece and the University from Germany, known as Hochschule Darmstadt. Hochschule Darmstadt is leading the charge and under the guidance of our dedicated Professor Georg, we are exploring innovative ideas to promote sustainable tourism. Before setting out, we made sure to gather all the necessary gear for our project. With our equipment ready, it's time to hit the road and leaving for Frankfurt airport with my friend Aslan and Hassan.
Go and try your luck, test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up, got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up, like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up, this the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up, they can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. Pull up and I and I'm swerving. If a try to holler, she gon' curve him. We came from under rugs like a Persian. We been staying in our lane, ain't no merging. Rapping like I'm turban.
After taking our flight, we left Frankfurt behind and landed in the heart of Greece, Athens.
So finally we are in Greece with Moroccan team on Pakistani passport.
और हम लोग कश्ती में नहीं आए.
It's morning 3 o'clock and we are trying to find a cab to reach our hotel. More than that, I am so much excited because it's a new country for us and we are here to explore Greece.
Stepping into the morning embrace of Athens, the city heartbeats blends with the gentle sunrise, painting a canvas of tranquility over the ancient streets and welcoming us to a day of exploration. As you know, we always up for some adventure, so we grabbed a €5 ticket that covers our entire day and set out to explore the incredible city. Our first stop was Agora. But before we jump into the Agora, we went for ice cream and we tried the different flavors. You have to try it. The famous Agora. The history of the Agora dates back to the 6th century BC when it was established as a commercial and social hub in the city. The energy of the place is just something else. Cobblestone paths, ancient ruins, and a sense of history lingering in the air. It's a vibe that's hard to put into words. Afterwards, we visited another historical place, known as Acropolis, where we spent 20 euros for entry fees. Acropolis offers not only a breathtaking view of modern Athens, but also a window into the past. A past where democracy was born, where philosophy flourished, and where the art and sciences were nourished. The architecture of the Acropolis is a masterpiece of ancient Greek design and engineering. It reflects the pinnacle of architecture innovation and artistic expression during the golden age of Athens. As the sun sets on this day, remember that the Acropolis stands on a beacon of a human achievement, a silent storyteller of a civilization that influenced our world. After our unforgettable journey through the Acropolis, we finally meet our Professor Georg and our classmates. Walking through the streets of Athens together felt like being part of a movie scene. Laughter, friendly people, and that feelings of being in the right place at the right time. It was all there, and as we strolled, something beautiful caught our attention. Families and friends gathered around tables, savoring every bite of delicious food and making memories that would last a lifetime.